Yeah, I washed them. Hello and welcome to Dad's Tech Advice, where you come for the tech, but you stay for the dad's joke. Dad's joke. Hello and welcome to Dad's Tech Advice, where you come for the tech, but you stay for the dad jokes. In this video, I am going to discuss a big mistake that I made with regard to my AirPods Pro. Yeah, I washed them. The big question is, do they still work, or did I just waste a ton of money? All right, so I'm always kind of hesitant about tiny tech like this because I know myself and I'm prone to misplace things. That is certainly the situation with the AirPods Pro. They're very easy to misplace, to forget where you put them, and very often I tend to leave them in my pants pocket. Well, that was the case this time. Unfortunately, I left them in the pockets of a pair of shorts or a pair of jeans, and they went through the wash. And then they went through the dryer. And then my wife brought them to me, and I opened them up, and water poured out of them. So, needless to say, they're very clean now. But the question is, will they actually work? So the answer to that is essentially yes, sort of. They are definitely not the same as they were in terms of quality and lack of noise. But they do, in fact, connect to Bluetooth. They do pair to my iPad Pro and my iPhone, but there is noticeable noise in them, especially in the right one. For those of you who are not familiar with AirPods Pro, they have this noise cancellation feature. And right now, just sitting here, it sounds like a seashell in my right ear. It kind of sounds like you're boiling water. It has kind of a light static in the right side. When I pair them to my iPhone or my iPad Pro, they do work. I can use them for audio. They just aren't the AirPods Pro that I loved prior to washing them. So if you're wondering, I definitely don't recommend washing your AirPods Pro. They are not waterproof. They will absorb water, and I tried to go through a number of different processes to try to get that water out the best as possible. I even threw them in a bowl of rice for a little while. I also went so far as to find a video on YouTube, and I'll try to link it in the description below, of this automation, I think. Was it? I'm not sure if it was through Siri or whomever it was this idea of creating sound waves in the iPods Pro that were supposed to, I guess, vibrate the water out of the AirPods. I ran it through there. Who knows? Probably gave my AirPods Pro a virus or something like that. But I tried it because I didn't have any other choice in terms of how to get the water out of the speaker components of the AirPods Pro. But the good news is they survived. I can actually use them. They're functional as Bluetooth wireless headphones, and to make calls and that kind of thing. But who makes calls with their phones anymore? But they did pay a bit of a price. So I want to hear from you. Have you ever made a mistake and washed or damaged one of your electronics? And how did it fare? Did it make it out alive? I have much more confidence that my iPhone, because it is waterproof, would probably survive the wash a little bit better than these did. But on the positive side, at least I can still use them. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And hey, if you want to see future videos that give you dad's tech advice and the best dad jokes on the internet, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And don't forget to turn notifications on your mobile device so you can be alerted when new content releases. All right, now for the dad joke. 5 out of 4 people admit they're bad with fractions. We're just kicking things off here on Dad's Tech Advice. There's a few other videos that you might have missed, so definitely click up here to check out another video.